Hello everyone, this is Manthan and you're watching Tech Bits. As you all know, iPhone SE3 has been recently launched by the Apple. The upcoming iPhone 14 series has now become the center of attraction. As we all know, Apple does not believe much in cosmetic changes but the specifications. Apple has retained that notch back from the iPhone X to the iPhone 13. But this time, Apple has come up with a dual punch hole design at the front and eliminated the notch. According to CAD renders, the iPhone 14 might look similar to iPhone 13. According to some articles and leaks, the new iPhone 14 might have a bigger 48 megapixel wide rear camera that will increase its diagonal length by 25 to 30% and its height by 5 to 10%. This time there is going to be no minis at all. Apple will be launching only 4 devices, with 2 devices having their Max variants like iPhone 14 and 14 Max, iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. According to reports, iPhone 14 and 14 Max will be powered by the Apple's A16 processor, while the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max will be powered by the Apple's A16 Pro processor. Now talking about the screen size, the iPhone 14 and 14 Max will have 6.1 and 6.7 inches display respectively, and the same will be the case with the iPhone 14 Pro Max and 14 Pro. No launch dates have come up yet, but it is expected to launch somewhere in the month of September. You guys let me know down in the comments how excited you are for the new iPhone 14. This is all about the new iPhone 14 in this video. Share this video with your friends and we'll meet you soon in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to TechBits for more such amazing videos and help us grow.